One of the major functions of the ICAO is to gain adoption of the international standards and recommended practices, SALPs, and incorporate these as annexes to the Convention on International Civil Aviation. There are now 18 of these annexes listed in the 1944 Convention, and they are constantly under review. This is to ensure that they remain relevant and applicable to modern day civil aviation. You are required to be able to identify the ICAO annexes and their content. The 18 annexes are Annex 1, Personnel Licensing, Annex 2, Rules of the Air, Annex 3, Meteorological Services for International Air Navigation, Annex 4, Aeronautical Charts, Annex 5, Units of Measurement to be used in air and ground operations, Annex 6, Operation of Aircraft, Annex 7, Aircraft Nationality and Registration Marks, Annex 8, Airworthiness of Aircraft, Annex 9, Facilitation, Annex 10, Aeronautical Telecommunications, Annex 11, Air Traffic Services, Annex 12, Search and Rescue, Annex 13, Aircraft Accident Investigations, Annex 14, Aerodromes, Annex 15, Aeronautical Information Services, Annex 16, Environmental Protection, Annex 17, Security, Safeguarding International Aviation Against Acts of Unlawful Interference, and Annex 18, the Safe Transport of Dangerous Goods by Air. In addition to these annexes, there are some other ICAO policy documents you must be aware of. Firstly, PANS OBS, Document 8168, the Procedures for Air Navigation and Aircraft Operations, or PANS OBS Document 8168, is a two-part publication. Section 1 describes the operational procedures for air navigation or PANS that are recommended for the guidance of flight operations personnel. Volume 2 describes the procedures for the guidance of specialist personnel designing instrument flight charts in geographic areas requiring essential obstacle clearance. Secondly, PANS ATM, Document 44 to 44, the procedures for air navigation air traffic management, or PANS ATM Document 44 to 44, gives guidance to air traffic organizations on the procedures to use when controlling global international air traffic. And finally, the Regional Supplementary Procedures, Document 70304, this document has been developed to enable any geographic regional air navigational differences to procedures to be recorded. This would normally be done by the ICAO regional offices and approved by the Council. It should be noted that PANS are approved by the ICAO Council, whereas SALPs are adopted by the ICAO Council. The ICAO also publishes a wide variety of publications in the forms of circulars, pamphlets, manuals, and the ICAO Journal, which cover technical, economic, and legal subjects. It also issues training manuals, films, plans, and digests, or designed to inform the global aviation community. Here is a list again of the annexes in their titles and the procedures documents which you must know to help you remember them.